Weather changing out there already, Jim. I stepped out just a couple of hours ago. It's definitely cooler, definitely.
You will feel even more so in the morning. I mean, I'm talking winter coats are necessary again. And get your umbrellas, too. Look at this. We've got some rain down in Fayette County, parts of Bastrop and Caldwell County right now. The yellow areas represent some moderate downpours, just a few hundred so far, but I think this is a sign of things to come. Not much in the metro area right now, but if we look back to the west, there are a few light rain showers down here in the southern parts of the hill country, including parts of Gillespie and Blanco counties at this hour. Temperatures plummeting, especially to the northwest. There's the Arctic air coming in, 40 in Amarillo, 44 in Abilene, 57 here, but 77 in San Antonio. The real pure Arctic air, though, is still lingering back up into the plain states, whereas Shannon and Robert mentioned earlier, temperatures are falling below zero. It's not going to get that cold here, but it is going to get colder. In addition to the cold air that is surging south, here's the front, almost down to San Antonio. We've got a disturbance coming out of Arizona that is pulling all of this moisture over the top of the colder air. That results in that overrunning pattern we've become accustomed to this winter and will result in rainfall for another 24 hours or so, increasing actually. Here's our future weather model, our new high-resolution model, showing as we go into the evening hours, light rain. Okay, we'll put this in motion and watch overnight some pockets of heavier downpours possible as that disturbance gets a little bit closer, maybe a couple of isolated thunderstorms. We fast forward here to tomorrow morning rush hour, all light green, meaning mainly light rain, but covering a good part of the area, and it's going to be a cold rain by that hour. And then look, all day long tomorrow, here we are at 5 p.m. Still see rain from the metro area eastward, but then as we go into the evening hours and then all the way into Thursday morning, other than a few passing showers, we begin to see the clouds break up. Some sunshine ought to be back out on Thursday, so this is going to be a one-day situation. Rainfall totals. Our high-resolution model is predicting, being pretty generous here, I think, predicting 1.7 inches out around Lake Travis, maybe 1.2 in Burnett, inch in the Fredericksburg area, and then 1 inch in the Austin metro area, a little bit less off to the east. Now, let me show you what our computer model, or another of our computer models, are indicating. This is a separate model. It's not quite as generous, with a ½ inch or less in most areas, a little closer, maybe a ½ inch to 9/10 of an inch in our eastern counties. I hope the first model is the correct one, and many of us get an inch or more, but I wouldn't count on that. This is mainly a light rain type situation. All right, look at the lows tonight. You're going to feel it in the morning, 30s. Now notice we stay above freezing in most places, so we're not talking about ice with this situation, but 30s to low to mid 40s depending on where you are. Add maybe 1 or 2 degrees to this, those will be your high temperatures tomorrow. So this is a low map, and it's almost the high temperature map for tomorrow, too. A big change. Okay, right now out there, temperatures already down into the 50s. In fact, there are some 40s in the hill country right now. In the metro area, 50s to low 60s, depending on where you are. And the current temperatures in the east have fallen now into the 50s and some 60s, front moving through the whole area. A little foggy out on Lake Travis, our Oasis camera. Not a real beautiful view right there right now. Cloudy in the city, light fog at the airport, and 57 degrees. Winds are northerly now, a little bit gusty behind the front. Pollen count today, mold and elm down into the medium category, ash and cedar way down into the low category. Tonight, increasing, mainly light rain, but some pockets of heavier showers possible. 39 the low, 40 the high, with north winds at 10 to 20 and a good chance of that continuing cold rain tomorrow. But you know what? This isn't bad as winter cold fronts go. It's a one-day deal. 57 on Thursday, back to 70 on Friday. Could hit 80 in some spots on Saturday. Then we have another front coming in on Sunday. That's going to drop us another 20 degrees by Monday. That one, too, could bring us a little bit of rain.